everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make a perfect 3D 6-pointed and 5-pointed star as many people request me, so I'm gonna share with you how to make it very easy. The first one is the 5-pointed. I have it here 8.5 inches by 11 inches long. The Xerox paper, I fold it at the triangle so I can cut it out at the square. You can make this 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 7, whatever size you decide to do. Just like so. And I'm going to bring this corner up to this corner. Press. And you open this. On this straight corner up here, you're gonna bring it down to here, but you're not gonna press, you're gonna just mark like that, so you know it's right in the middle right there, like that. And then you're going to bring this pointy here. I'm gonna hold in my finger right here, and I'm gonna bring this to here, just like that. You press this down. So now on this one right here, I'm gonna bring it over to the right. So hold it right here. I'm gonna bring out over this way, and make sure that it go right at the pointy of this paper right here, pointy down, and then you press. And turn it over, or you can use the same side. You turn this over, you're gonna bring this right here to this side. Or you can go at the same side, it's up to you. You wanna cut from this pointy all the way down, like this. Go right down. You have a 5-pointed star, and it's 3D. You can do many if you want to, and then you add the string in the back. Now you do the folding. So the diamond right here, you're going to fold it. Make sure this pointy folded together like this. Go on one side, fold the pointy, the diamond in the center first. This one, fold in. This one, fold. And this one, fold it, and the next one, fold it until you do 5 of them. Now you do all 5 with the long one. You're gonna flip it over to this side, and at the small one right here, you're gonna fold it. Okay, by holding like this, you can fold it together. You don't need to do much. Okay, and then this one you fold it, and this one you fold it, and you fold it. And now you go open this, you will have a 3D star, but this one is a 5-pointed star. That is so perfect, like that, even and so pretty. Add the string in the back here and hang around the house. Ask the kid to do that with you. They're gonna have so much fun. Buy the color paper from the Dollar Tree or Walmart and have them do many of as you want. Add the string, and then ask them to clip with the paper clip or whatever you decide to do. I'm just showing you how to make this, and we'll go on to the 6-pointed. The Xerox paper I have here 8.5 by 11, but you can do any size as long as you have the square. And you go on to fold in this. You're gonna fold it again. So now you have the big fold here, and then the 2 fold on this side. I'm gonna bring this to halfway. Make sure you get this point. You go on to estimate, or you go on to eyeball it, okay, to see. Don't press it down yet. Bring this side over to see if you divide this into 3 evenly. This is 6 points. You see this side right here? You're going to bring it down Okay, if you want to bring it down to here, then your star a little bit rare, it's not too pointy. But if you bring it all the way down to here, then you have more pointy of the star. So it's up to you. If you doing this, like show you this, okay, then your star have a little bit of the corners. If you go all the way down like this, then your star going to be more pointy. So whatever you decide to do, but make sure it go right up to that fold. You can draw the line. For me, for you too, if you can cut straight on the line, you do that. You don't need to draw the line like that. I'm gonna cut all the way to that fold, so I can have the 6-point star perfectly cut. So after you're done folding and everything like that with the 3Ds, if you want to cut some design on this and then put the lantern underneath here, you can do that too. The LED light. Okay, so you're going to do this. You're gonna fold the one with the triangle, with the diamond, the big one first. It's folding all together any way you want. And then from here, you can use the hole puncher if you want to, or you can just cut with the scissor or around to get some design going on here. If you want, you can do the circle, round, diamond, whatever shape you like to do. Anything you like to do. So I just give you the method how to make the 6-point star. So now that's your choice to go around and do whatever you want to do. Just cut whatever, freely cut. I think it's best for a kid to do this during the holiday. My kid have break after tomorrow. They have half day and that's it. They have off until the 2nd, I believe. And when you're done with the big one, you go into the small one. So open this up, go into this side. You can hold the small side right here, the small side together. And then you cut the small side. Whatever you decide on the small, it's all up to you. The way, because if you put the LED light underneath here, then you can cut this. If you want to hang it up, you can add the string and hang it up without doing this cutting. So that's your choice. Like this. Very simple. And then you open this at nighttime. You can put the LED, or you can hang it in here and then hang the light behind that, the Christmas light behind. So whatever, I have cut another one right here, and then the plain one, you can add the string in the back. In the back here, all different color, and then you make it like the banner and hang around. So whatever you decide to do. So everyone, if you want to with the star, you can do this. You can decorate around like the last video I shared with you to make an ornament. Kid can do that with the paper too. Buy the color paper for them. Everything you can purchase from a dollar store. The paper, and then this thing, and then this, or at the dollar store. Anyway, so with this, if you want to hang it up and then have the light going around, that would be beautiful too. I have this in here. I'm not gonna go and hang it up and show you because it's like too much time. But if you want to use your regular light, you can do that. If you don't want to, you can use this light and hang up around the fireplace or
nighttime
whatever.
you can hang up with your Christmas light and then add the string on the pointy, one of the pointy, and then wrap around your Christmas tree, and it's like this. I use LED that I purchased from a Dollar Tree. You can do that if you want to. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also turn the bell notification on. Every time I upload the video, you get notified. Stay safe, everyone. Love you. Take care.